Some pickups are built for work, some are built for comfort, but the 2026 Honda Ridgeline, it's built to rewrite the rules. Because this isn't just another truck, it's the one that's about to make even Ford and Toyota nervous. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 Ridgeline has finally stepped into the spotlight. Gone is the old, softer pickup image, replaced by a bold, chiseled front end inspired by the TrailSport concept, a wider grille, LED light bars that stretch across the front, and a body sculpted to look muscular, yet aerodynamic. From the side, the proportions are more aggressive. Chunkier wheel arches, 20-inch alloys, and new adventure-ready tires. At the back, Honda's signature dual-action tailgate returns. Swing it open sideways or drop it down flat. And underneath, the famous in-bed trunk, now deeper and smarter, with built-in power outlets for tools or camping gear. Under the hood, things get even more interesting. The 2026 Ridgeline finally joins the hybrid revolution. You'll find a 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, combining gas and electric motors to deliver around 340 horsepower and instant torque. That means faster acceleration, better towing, and way better fuel economy. Honda's iVTM 4 all-wheel drive system has been retuned for real off-road muscle. Snow, mud, gravel, it adapts instantly. And if you're towing, get this, it can now pull up to 5,500 pounds with ease. Step inside, and it's clear. Honda wanted this to feel like an SUV, not a work truck. Soft touch materials everywhere. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen with Google built in. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital driver display that's crisp and customizable. The seats? Thicker padding, cooling and heating options, and even a fold-flat rear bench for more cargo space. Honda's engineers also went wild with sound insulation. So even on rough roads, the cabin feels like a luxury SUV. And of course, it wouldn't be a Honda without serious safety tech. Every 2026 Ridgeline comes with Honda Sensing 2.0, featuring adaptive cruise control lane keep assist, traffic jam assist, collision mitigation braking, 360-degree surround view cameras, plus a brand new trailer stability assist system that makes towing feel effortless. Here's the truth. The pickup world is changing fast. Electric trucks are rising, and gas giants are holding on tight. But the 2026 Ridgeline sits perfectly in the middle, offering the strength of a truck and the refinement of a crossover. It's efficient, modern, and ready for adventure. So, what do you think? Has Honda finally built the perfect all-around pickup? Drop your thoughts below. And if you love discovering the newest cars before everyone else, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Because here at Garage Galaxy, we bring you the future of driving.